Today, I want to share my journey of using Nano Banana inside Google AI Studio and how I later turned those creations into a video using Google VO3. This process was both fun and a learning experience, and I think it can help you if you're curious about experimenting with AI-powered creativity. I began by opening Google AI Studio and navigating to Nano Banana. For those who are new, Nano Banana is a tool that lets you create and edit images simply by giving text prompts. Instead of manually drawing or editing, you describe what you want, and the AI brings it to life step by step. To start my experiment, I entered my very first prompt: create an image of a monkey on top of the tree eating a banana. Make the image photorealistic. Within moments, the tool generated a sharp and realistic image of a monkey exactly as described. It was fascinating to see how natural the result looked, as if it had been captured by a camera. Encouraged by that success, I decided to expand the scene. My next instruction was, edit the image to add two monkeys eating bananas. Nano Banana responded by updating the picture, now showing two monkeys happily enjoying bananas together. Each edit felt like I was painting with words, but I wanted to push the creativity further. I added more drama to the scene with the prompt: place the monkeys on the top of a mountain and make the weather rainy. The AI adapted the original picture, creating a moody mountain setting with a stormy atmosphere. However, I noticed there were still branches lingering from the first image. To fix this, I refined my prompt again. Remove branches, monkeys are standing on the mountain. The AI tried to interpret this, but here's where things became tricky. The new edit created a small error where one monkey seemed to be flying in midair. This moment showed me an important lesson. When we keep giving many consecutive commands on the same image, the context window can get congested, leading to unexpected or confusing results. Sometimes it's better to start fresh with a new prompt rather than stacking too many edits on top of one another. Once I had explored enough with images, I moved on to the exciting part: video creation. I opened Google VO3, which is designed to generate high-quality videos from either text prompts or uploaded images. I asked it to create a video using the ideas from my monkey scenes. VO3 processed everything and produced a video that was smooth, realistic, and visually stunning. The level of detail, from the mountain environment to the weather effects, truly brought the concept to life in motion. Overall, this workflow showed me the creative potential of combining Nano Banana for images and VO3 for video. It's like having a full studio at your fingertips, where you can experiment, refine, and bring imagination into reality with just a few prompts. That's all for today's walkthrough. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and stay tuned. I'll be back soon with another creative exploration, showing you more ways to use AI tools for storytelling and